Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life. My name's MJ.
And I'm Claire.
And today we are at Thame Fun Fair. So let's see what they've got here. Selection of rides and attractions. We might try and get on a few, won't we?
Yeah.
See what we've got going on, maybe play some sideshow games and whatnot. Oh, they've got House of Mirrors. Anyone who's seen It Chapter 2 probably won't want to. Oh, they've got a smoke machine in there as well. Probably won't want to go in there. Right, don't know if we'll be able to get any on-ride footage. But let's see what we got. Psycho Inn. Wow. Oh look, they got a rotor. We should do that. Why not? Why not?
No.
Why not? Why not? Why not?
I refuse to do that.
Why?
Because I would throw up.
No you wouldn't, you're just pinned against the wall.
You can do it and I'll watch it.
Fuck you. Largest person on the outside, yeah?
Okay.
Up to you. Thame at the moment, so, oh, Thame, quite Thame, get it, Thame, oh, here we go, oh, there we go, oh, they're not the most comfortable of rides, don't do that, you're going to clang my balls, Oh, that is, you have basically just put my balls into an awkward position by doing that. Oh, awful. Nah, so bad. Goodness, oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, all the pain now. Right. Ah, it's all good. Nah. Fine, okay. Oh, good. Oh, not very. Oh, slow down, oh god, oh. Oh. Claire didn't fancy this one, so she's up there. Like the opposite of really think breathing or swallowing is even that important, to be honest. Like, fine. Yeah, like, good. Probably want to pass out. Would Claire like this? Oh, right. So not. Probably glad she ain't come up. I don't think you can hear me. I don't know if you can hear me, I can't even hear myself. Oh, we're slipping. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're literally slipping. Oh my god. Oh, the floor is so far now. Oh, that's so weird. Oh. Yeah, very interesting, sort of mental, yeah, weird forces, just good though, yeah. Claire, did you enjoy watching me on that? Did it look fun?
No, it looks terrifying.
Do you want to do some like darts or anything, Claire? You don't want to win a green dot? That's no. Yeah, or the green line looks like parsley from Magic Roundabout, doesn't it? Crazy castle, crazy characters. Yeah, nice. Hell's Gate too. I like the sound of that one. Spooky. Don't want to get damaged. We're old now, we're like 32-ish, 31, 32. Oh, this has got like hookable, oh, I don't really like the toys on offer though, a bit garbage like. Oh, they got a Miami trip. They got a Samba Bamba and a Miami trip.
Let me have a game.
Might have another winner now. You like 3 games to go.
Lovely, cheers.
Right, score 8.
Haven't thrown a dart in...
I don't think you've ever thrown a dart, have you?
Haven't thrown a dart in like 10 years. Wouldn't even pay a tenner for the prize I want. Fine.
Right. Score 8.
Okay, I'll hit it. That's good. 0 so far. 1. 0, so still on 1. And I can't see what that is. Maybe 1 or 2. Cool. Good.
I don't feel like you should let me win. Let me throw at least one dart.
Okay, maybe you can do the last one. 1. I mean, I need to aim for the freeze, I guess. Oh, fine. Literally, that is a hazard. awful. So,
Am I doing this one?
just about.
I don't think I've ever played a dart.
7 with 3 down.
Oh wow.
Still got one more that you're going to show us how to do it. Like.
Here we go, Claire, go on.
To the expert now.
Yeah. Alright, in between, that was quite an interesting technique, but oh, that was nice, okay, like it's sort of got an arc going on. 2, so that's 3. 4. So it's not possible, well, you need a 4 which isn't printed. Oh, there you go, that's quite, I think she did better than me. That's alright, yes. One more, yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Take it easy. Cheers. See you. Yeah, nice one. Thank you. Very friendly. I'll pay a tenner for that service, to be honest. Oh, they got white Rangers here. Look at this. Keeping the trade in the business. Yeah, I sort of do regret it though. Wow. Look, that's the Avengers. Huh? Avengers. Oh, it's Thanos there, look. Thanos.
Okay, ready? Come on, somebody scream! Somebody make some noise! Here we go! Hands up! I can't let go of this.
There we go.
Please, baby, now for the next ride. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Somebody scream! Let's go, let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, the seat.
What do you think of that, Claire?
I don't know if I like that or not, to be honest. It's fun. No,
Quite violent.
yeah, like it's a bit like it brings your stomach up into your mouth a little bit. It's like,
Right. Yeah, no.
swallow that back down.
Yeah, good. Decent. So, we are now done. Claire, did you have a nice time? Yeah, enjoyable. Just a short one, but probably went on more than I thought we would, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, it's expensive, isn't it?
Prezzo, nice place to eat. Yeah, was nice. Rides are between 250 and 350. Fine. Yeah, what? We went on like 3 or 4 rides.
You went on 3, I went on 2.
Decent. Soaked up the atmosphere. Good fun. Thank you, Thame Fair. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Finally a bit of theme park content on the channel. And there'll be a hell of a lot more because we're going to loads of attractions in October. So we will see you then. Goodbye. Oh God, very bright.